Hi my friends, it's Kathy. Glad you stopped by. Today's video is going to be all about the June 2020 Boxy Charm Premium unboxing. Before we begin, I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell for future notifications. So here's this little monster right here, and it is 3 pounds. Everybody's been asking how heavy it is, so the premium box is 3 pounds. So let's open it up, and here you go. Whoops, I'm getting all wonky today. There you are, and there's the little card in it. So let me put this down. And you know what? I'm kind of shocked that I got an actual card this month. Kind of scares me. What did I do to rank so much? But anyways, I have the card here. It's called the Oasis is the theme, and on the back it has all the items on it and the prices. And here it is. I have my version right there. Let me see if I can get it in there, if you can see it. And it is 28. So let's go and jump on and see what we've got. First up I have is from Skin & Company Sardinian Spirit, the Italian collection, limited edition, made in Italy. And this is a shower gel right here. And you know what? I have no problem with this. I really like, bath gels and all that. This one is $22 for a full size. And let me see what it has. A little thing in there. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, I like that. So I like, bath gels and all that, because, soap just kind of doesn't do it for you anymore. And sometimes you just need those extra, softeners and moisturizers. And I love getting that scent to it, just that's really light. So when you get out of the shower, so that's a good one for me. Next up I have is from, let's see, who is this from? Zoe. It is an eyeshadow fix matte long wear right here. And this is $12, providing the perfect canvas for vibrant eye like makeup looks. Prepares the eye with a long-lasting crease-proof formula for all-day wear, enriched. So this is basically an eye primer. So let's get it out of the box. And it looks like kind of like almost a sample deluxe size, but not too bad. And I'm not going to open it up because, when you start doing that, the clock starts ticking on that shelf life. So, eye primer I can always use. And Jouer is a very nice brand. So that's something I'm going to really enjoy. And then I have, ooh, look at this. And let me take it out of the package. This is from Billion Dollar Brows right here. And this is a sculpting duo brush. One is for contour and the other one is for highlighter. Really soft, not too firm. This one has a little bit of an angle to it, which is quite nice. And they say this one is $30. I think that's a little much for this brush, but you know what? I'll take it. It's in my box. And you know what? All of a sudden, we're getting a lot of Billion Dollar Brows, items in it, brushes, and the eye, the eyebrow stuff and all the tools with it and all the kits. So that's kind of an interesting thing. It looks like a theme right now. So anyways, let's jump on. Next one we have is Kat Von D Equal Liner. And this one is vegan. It's the long wear matte eyeliner. This is $20. And this is in the color Trooper Black. I also got one of these in the blue, which I did not like. Let's see if I can get it out of the box. And it was kind of dried out and didn't really have a good, coloration to it. I really didn't like it much, but here's what the actual eyeliner looks like. Let me see if I can get it in there. So, kind of cute. Okay, and let's see. Did a little shake. Let's do a little, let's see how this looks on the back of my hand. Not too bad. Goes on pretty nice. This one did a lot better than the blue, so I'm gonna like this one. So that's a big thumbs up on that for me. And then next up I have, and you know what? This one is the price of admission. This is what I got excited for, was the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I have this. I love it. It goes on so nice. It smells just absolutely just incredible. Nice and soft smell. It's not that overpowering. And it has a little scooper, and you just put a little bit on and it goes a long way, and the next morning you feel just absolutely wonderful. This one is $48, and let me tell you, this is the price of admission. This box right here is $35, so right here paid for this right here. So I really love that, and I was so excited when I saw that was going to be in our box. So last but not least is I have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and this one is $44. And you know what? This is something that I really like the packaging on it. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. Isn't that just dreamy? And then on the back, look at that. Just looks like a really heavy compact on this. And so I just sit there and I go, let me open it up. And it has a beautiful mirror. And then look at that. Those are colors that you can use for everything and anything. And this is a contour palette, and it does smell like cocoa. Oh my God, is it gorgeous. And you know what? You can use this, you know, any of these colors, you know, for a contour, a blush, you know, or even up here, you can use this as a highlighter. And who says you have to wear, you know, a highlighter for a highlighter? You can use it as a, you know, eye makeup, or a you know, something in, you know, the eyeshadow. So just kind of just be wary of that. Just because it says it's contour, you don't need to. Me, this is going to be wonderful. I could use some of these as an eyeshadow, or, you know, as just something just kind of to highlight a little bit, some of these colors. And I can see this can go for a full range of skin tones, which is really awesome. So what do I think of this box? I think this is pretty good for $35. And as I said, it's 3 pounds. And I have some really nice stuff in here, but you know what? I'm not too thrilled overall with Boxycharm, but this box I kind of like. And you know, this one right here made my day. The Glow Recipe. Then we have the contour palette right here. This is another one to go. We have the Zoe eyeshadow primer, which is nice. Then we have the brush, which I can always appreciate, but for $30, I don't think so. And then the bath gel, shower gel, I think that's fabulous. So overall, I think this is a good box. I don't think it's fantastic, but you know what? I was excited for a few of the items, which makes it worth the price of admission. And you know, let me know how you did in your box if we're twins, and you know, how you liked this video. And I really appreciate a like, subscribe.